I just went to my mall and I found Chinese food to review. I don't know what it's called, but I can put a translator thing in the comments so you guys can know what it's called. We got these Pikachu things, another Pikachu thing. Got this Oreo. I only got it because it's Oreo. This is the bag, and now I need to pause it very quick so I can open it. Okay, I'm gonna first give them to my mom. Here you go, Mom. It's the Oreo I got.
Oh, no.
You don't like it? You don't like it? Okay. Sorry. 0 out of 0. You too, right. Okay. Open this thing up. It tastes good. You just want to try it? Yeah, I want people to see it. It's chocolate. Oh. It came up like this. There's chocolate on the things already. I'm gonna eat the rest of those at school. But, yeah. Because I have the video recording right now. Mom, I'm glad you tried at least one thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, make sure to check the comments because I might actually put all the names of the foods because it's all Japanese. That's cute. This is what the wrapper looks like. They're vanilla chocolate things, which is protein. That's what my mom says. And yes, guys, I might actually start doing Chinese. I might do a part 2. Just try to open it for me. That's it. The camera's still recording, so whatever. Hi, Beerus. Beerus, what do you want to say to the viewers? Like and subscribe for part 2. Yes, guys, do that for part 2. Sorry, I keep on turning. So, Beerus, smell it? Smells like vanilla. You've licked the vanilla? Beerus, you licked vanilla. Smells good. Good. Want to try one? It's soft, but if you don't want to, yeah. Like and subscribe for part 2.